Student, welcome back to part 2 video of your chapter number 13, that is file organization. Okay, now let's begin with file write function. Now what is the use of file write function? It appends a number of equal size data items to an output file. Now what is the syntax? Fwrite ampersand, you have to write a structure name. Now structure is basically where you can store the data of mixed data type, that is of integer, character, and so like array was to store multiple values of same data type, isn't it? But here structure will help you to store mixed data type, that is can be integer, character, and so on. And size of structure, that is how much size it is carrying data, and then 1 and then TP. Now let's see this with an example. Hash include stdio.h as you start your program. Then typedef is the keyword for creating structure. Typedef struct, and then in age you can see age is a variable of integer type. Then it is also carrying the name which is of character type. It can hold up to 20 characters. Okay, that is from 0 to 19. And then address, again the size is given 50. And it is of character type, okay, and it means that it can hold the characters from 0 to 49. Then name of the structure st_rec and semicolon, okay, the name of the structure is given at the end. Now your main program, whatever structure you have to declare has to be declared before the main. Okay, now void main is there. Now your program is started. Now int s is equal to size of strec. So it will give you the size, okay. Then strec or arec, that means an object of structure st_rec is created. Now open the file with asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is the pointer, that means it will point to the file. And what is the pointer name? fp. Then fopen stu_rec comma w. Now this is the file name, okay, and you are opening in a write mode. Now as usual you have to give on screen the message enter age, name and address, okay. Now scanf %d is for integer type for age, and %s for string type name and address. Ampersand, now rec.age, now you are trying to store the value of the structure, okay, so you have to use it by the structure object, that is rec, which we created only this side. And then age.age, then comma rec.name, then rec.address. So this time the value of name, age and address which is given by the user will be stored in the structure variable. Now fwrite is a function to append the value ampersand rec, now where it will store at the address of the object which was created of st_rec structure, that is rec, then s, then comma 1 and fp, okay. So this will help you in writing these into the file which is stu_rec. So record will be stored, and fclose fp. So you now once you have opened, you have written, now you have to close the file. Now reading from file, how to read from file? Now reading from a file, C provides following function. To read data from file, it should exist fscanf. Now this function is used to read data from a file. It is very similar to scanf function, but scanf function gets the value from the keyboard. Now here it will get the value from the file. So it scans a series of input fields one at a time. Now syntax is fscanf, okay, then empty parenthesis, file asterisk stream, then format specifier and the variable. Now let's have a look into the example given. Again start the program from a hash include stdio.h and void main int I, means I is a variable of integer type, then 5 star fp, this is the pointer which is pointing to the object fp, then fopen demo.txt, and r is for reading mode, okay. Now what is happening? Fscanf fp comma, now fp you have to write that object pointer, then %d ampersand I. So it will just take the first value and it will store in I. Now printf /n %d I. So what will happening? Now it will get the value from fscanf fp file, okay, and then close the file. So above example will read an integer value from demo.txt file which we have made earlier. Now fgetC, this function is used to read characters, okay, from an existing file. It is very similar to getC function. Syntax is fgetC file star stream variable, okay. Now next you can see the example. Include stdio.h void main char of ch. Then open the file. Now this time open file is pankaj.dat. That is the data file in reading mode. Now fgetC fp comma ch. That is from fp file it will just get the value of ca. Now put c, whatever the value has been taken from the file, that will be shown on the output screen. That is why put c is given. So f, when it is written, it will be function on the file, and put c directly on the console screen, okay, and then close the file. Same way we have fgetS. Now fgetS function is used to read a line from an existing file. It is similar to getS function, but this time it will read the line from the file. Now what is the syntax? fgetS file start stream and variable. Now next is include stdio.h void main. Then char name is of 50. That means it can hold up to 50 characters. Now it can be less than but not more than 50. Now open the file with pankaj.dat. Again R is for reading mode. fgetS fp comma name. So what will happen? The name will be taken from the fp file and name will be taken. And whatever name has been fetched from the file, that will be displayed on screen, and close the file. Next function we have fread. This function is used to read a specified number of equal size data items from the input stream into a block. Syntax is fread ampersand struct name size of struct 1 comma fp. Okay, now include is there, stdio.h. Now this is the way how you will declare the structure. Type def is a keyword and struct is also a keyword, struct, and whichever variable you want, you just declare it and give the name st_rec. Now void main int is size of student_rec. Now what will happen? An object of st_rec is created, that is of rec name. Now file star mfp, open the file student stu_rec, okay, and reading mode. Now while fread ampersand rec comma s comma 1 comma f p is equals to 1. It means that it will continue till the value is true. Okay, printf, then /n %d %s rec.age rec.name rec.address. So you have to simply use object name, that is rec, and then close the file. Okay, so this way you can do it. Now next is closing file. Now during a write to file, the data written is not put on the disk immediately. It is stored in a buffer. When the buffer is full, all its contents are actually written to the disk. The process of emptying buffer by writing its content to disk is called flushing the buffer. Losing the file flushes the buffer and releases the space taken by the file structure, which is returned by fopen. Okay, for this fclose function is used. Fine. Now you can see fclose function is basically used to clean up the buffer, because when you write anything or read anything, it gets collected into buffer. So we have to keep on cleaning that buffer. So fclose file star asterisk stream. Okay. Now this is the syntax. Okay. Next is fseek. This function sets the file pointer associated with the stream to a new position. Syntax fseek, then file pointer stream, long offset, int whence. Okay. Now file asterisk stream holds file pointer fseek sets. Okay. Offset is difference in bytes between whence, a pointer position, and the new position for text mode stream. Whence is what? One of three seek XXX file pointer position. Now seek XXX means what? Constant is value file pointer position. Seek set 0 seeks from beginning. Seek current seeks from current. Seek n2 seeks from the end. Now we have flush. F-flush, if the given stream has a buffered output, F-flush writes the output of the stream to the associated file. The stream remains open after F-flush has been executed, unlike F-close. F-flush has no effect on an unbuffered stream. Syntax is F-flush and then file asterisk stream. Then we have p-error function. These are some more advanced function on file organization. This function prints error message, system error message corresponding to the last library routine that produced the error. Syntax is p-error, error message, remove. This function is used to delete a file, remove and the file name. Rename function is used to change the file name. Syntax is you have to write the old name and then in inverted commas you have to write the new name. Okay, and separate by comma. So this will change the name. Refine. This function is used to place the pointer to the beginning of the file irrespective of where it is present right now. Rewind and file asterisk stream. Next we have end of file. While reading data from file, when pointer reaches the last location means null character or \0. Symbolically it is represented as \0. It means null character. Okay. Now it returns the value of EOF, that is end of, a constant defined in stdio.h. This statement is used to terminate the process of reading as it works as a check for last location. Okay. Now example you can see, hash include void main char ch is there, then you have to open the file, then while 1 means till the reading is there, till the content is there, that is 1 means true condition. So ch is equals to f get c fp. So what will happen, the character will be stored in ch. If ch is equals to end of file, that means it has reached to the last, then you have to click break is there. Break means the loop will terminate. Okay. Else put ch, that means whatever the value of ch has been fetched, that will be shown to you on screen. F close fp. Now there are some more programs to create a file in write mode, accept data from user, write it in on file student.txt. Okay. Now here you have to include two header file, stdio.h and conio.h. stdio.h means standard input output and conio.h header file means console input output. Void main is written, char ch is written, fp a pointer has been created, file pointer, and f open student.txt. Now write mode, student.txt has been opened in write mode. Now CLR SCR for clearing up the output screen. If fp is equals to null, then p error in opening file, exit 1. Okay, exit 1 means it will set the value to true and it will exit. Okay. Now here means null means that nothing has been found, the no content is there in the file. Okay. Otherwise what will happen, c is equals to get c std in, it will just check the get the value, then while ch is not equals to asterisk. Now this means that it will just continue till the value is not equals to asterisk symbol. Now f put ch and comma fp. Now ch is what? The value and where it will put in fp. Now ch is equals to get c std in, again it will take and then it will close std in and then another close, it will close fp. So both the files will be closed. Okay. Next is write a program to read the data file student.txt and copy it to record.txt file as well as print it on the screen. So again both the header file you have to include, then you have to take char a, two file you have to work with. So two pointers have been created, fp and ft. Now fp is equals to student.txt file has been opened for reading mode and you have to copy the content to record.txt, so it is open in write mode. Now it will continue till the value of fp is equals to null or ft is equals to null. Now p error in opening file, when both are any of it is equal to null, so it means it will give you error. Now exit 1 it will make the condition true. Now while 1, if the condition is true, so ch is equals to f get c fp. So what it will do, it will just get the value of fp what is there, and if ch is equals to end of file, that means nothing, no content is there, it will break. Else f put c ft comma ch. So in ft what will it will print? It will just store the characters one by one. Now put ch. It will display also on screen that what character has been taken and shown to you. Okay. Finally close fp and close ft and get ch. Okay. Next is write a program to add more text in the student.txt. So again you have to create a character type of variable ch, then open the file student.txt, and if fp is equals to null, it will show you error in opening file and it will exit to 1. Okay. Printf, enter text and press star to stop. Okay. While 1, so here it should be opening braces. Now ch is equals to get c std.in. Now if ch is equals to star, it will break. That means if the user will enter stars, it will stop. F put c fp comma ch. Okay. And then close fp and then close stdin. Okay. Next is to create a file and write name, age, address of student on it. Again the same thing, you have to declare integer type of variable, char name, address, flag is equals to yes, open the student record.dat, then if fp is equals to null, this is the mark, you have to give error in opening file. If the file, you have to check before only that whether the file is empty or not. Okay. Now while flag is equals to y, now this will continue till the flag is equals to 1. So enter name and age, scanf, so whatever name and age has been given, here also you have to write ampersand name. Now printf fp, now what it will print in the print file which was open, all these things will be printed in that file. Now printf wish to enter more records y and n. So you have to get the value of flag. If it is y, so again it will ask for the value, and if it is no, it will just not continue. Okay. Now f plus stdin, that means fresh data whatever is being given, write it into file and keep on deleting or cleaning up the buffer also. Now f close fp and f close stdin. Okay. So this way you will create a file. Now to delete a record from student.record file, so how will you do? Char name 20, address, age is given, char name, temp name, okay, 20. Now 2 pointer has been created and 2 files have been opened. One is in read mode and the other one temp.dat in writing mode. Again for error you have to give, if the file is empty at the beginning only you check, exit 1, it will exit. Now when says printf, enter the name whose record to be deleted. Now suppose percentage name has been taken, so while f scanf fp percentage and person name and is not equals to end of file. So this will continue till the value is not equals to end of file. Now if strcmp, compare the name is equals to 0, continue. So printf ft %s and %d %s name, age, address. So it will print but continuous here. So if it is true, it will skip this step. Okay. So you won't be able to see this printing of this name. Okay. And then close fp ft and remove stu_record.dat and rename temp.dat and as to stu_record.dat. So it means that from student.record one name has been skipped and it is printed on temp.dat, and what is happening, then stu.dat will be removed and the temp.dat will be renamed as stu_record.dat. So in this, the name which you are trying to remove will not be displayed in this new file name which has been renamed as stu_record. Okay. Same way you can see some more program file are there. Okay. So just practice them. Program for file open, file write, file close is there. Okay. Same are there. Then compile, run, how to compile and run output. Okay. So these all we will do in next video. Okay children. So till then revise thoroughly all the functions. Okay. Thank you.